To begin our journey, we need to understand what obesity truly is. It's not just about excess weight, it's a complex medical condition driven by a variety of factors. Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Obesity is a multifaceted issue with several underlying causes, including lifestyle, genetics, and environmental factors. By understanding these causes, we can better appreciate the importance of prevention. Hello, and welcome back to Wariyo Vids. In today's video, we're going to explore the topic of obesity and, more importantly, how to prevent it. First, let's make sure we're on the same page with the correct pronunciation, obesity. So, let's explore effective strategies for preventing obesity. 1. Healthy eating. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential. Reducing the consumption of sugary and high-fat foods is a key step. 2. Regular exercise. Physical activity should be a part of your daily routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. 3. Portion control. Watch your portion sizes to avoid overeating. Opt for smaller plates and learn to listen to your body's hunger cues. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help control your appetite and prevent mistaking thirst for hunger. 5. Stress management. Stress can trigger overeating, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 6. Quality sleep. Make sure to get 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Poor sleep can disrupt the hormones that regulate appetite. 7. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or healthcare professionals for support in your journey to prevent or manage obesity. In summary, what's obesity and how to prevent it, is a question we've answered today. It's not just about the name, it's about understanding the issue and taking action. Your health and well-being matter. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for joining us on Wariyo Vids. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.